Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today we are going to make black web forest cake. So this is our cake. You can see how much nice it looks. Let's get started. Here I took half cup of milk in a bowl. I am adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in it. You can use vinegar too. We will mix it well and let it get curdled for 5 minutes. Here I had took the mold which I will use for cooking the cake. Now I am greasing it with 1 teaspoon of oil. Now we will dust some maida over it. You can use parchment paper too if you have. We will just spread the maida all over the sides. So our mold is ready now. Our milk has got curdled. Now I am adding 1/3 cup of refined oil in it. Half cup plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Whisk it nicely. Now I have placed a sieve over our bowl. Add 1 cup of maida, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and sieve them nicely. Now we will mix them by cut and fold method with the help of a spatula. We don't have to over mix them, otherwise our cake sponge will become hard. You can see our batter is some thick, so I will add 5 tablespoons of milk gradually in our batter so as to adjust the consistency of our batter. Our batter is ready, but there are some lumps in the batter. So as to remove those lumps, I am whisking it lightly. You can see some air bubbles are rising in our batter while I am whisking. This shows that our baking powder and soda have got activated. You can see our ribbon consistency lump-free batter is ready. Now I am transferring it into our greased mold. We will tap our mold with the batter for 4 to 5 times so as to remove extra air bubbles. Now here is a preheated kadai. I am just cooking it for 35 to 40 minutes with lid closed. So here I have took 1 cup of whipping cream and now I am whipping it until stiff peaks rise. So after whipping for 5 minutes, our cream is ready. You can see how much nice stiff peaks have risen from it. Now we can use it for decoration. Now here I have took some cherries. These are canned cherries. I have took 25 to 35 cherries. Now we will remove the seeds from the cherries and tear them into small pieces. So these are cherry sugar syrup and cherry pieces. Now after cooking for 35 to 40 minutes, our cake sponge is ready. I have cut it into 3 layers. Now we will do the icing of the cake. Now I am applying some whipped cream on the first layer of cake and spread it evenly. Now I have added some ganache on it. Now here I am putting some cherry pieces. Now again we will put some whipped cream on it. Now I am placing second layer of cake. Now spread the cherry syrup generously all over the cake sponge. Now we will repeat all the steps that we applied to the first layer of cake. First, here comes the whipped cream. Now add the cherry pieces on it. Now we will add the ganache. Now again add some cream on it. Now add the third layer of cake sponge. Now again spread cherry syrup all over the cake sponge generously. Now apply cream on it and spread it all over the cake, also on the sides. Now we will smooth it from all the sides and also from the top. So after smoothing it, I am just making rosettes with the help of star tip nozzle. You can make any design of your choice. So here I have decorated the cake with the rosettes. Now here I have applied some ganache all over the cake to make a very nice design. If you like this easy peasy video of cake, make sure that if you like, share and subscribe. Thank you.